So we're here on a chilly morning, as you can see, and we're just about to go down to Woolies, to pick up our waste material. She said shop on the front.
We're all about to jump in and head down and pick up our green waste. Let's go. These are our bins. You can see this is what they refer to as their recycling zone. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bins. We've got another bin out with the produce. There'll be various materials in our bin. One thing I don't like is this sort of crap, where they just basically get too lazy and put so they're not particularly flash in terms of their own recycling, in terms of what they put in their bins. But our next job, once we get this back to the school farm, will be to actually take all that plastic straight out. In addition to the fruit and veg, we also put in what bread they haven't sold the previous day. So this is yesterday's bread. All of these products have been marked off as either damaged stock, and some of those products are suitable for us to do recycling through our animals. This is a pretty light load compared to what we sometimes get. We have had times in summer when the load has literally been right up to the top. Let me just double check to see if they've got any lettuce. So this last bit here is just lettuce leaf. The boxes are wax boxes and they are non-recyclable because of the wax content of the cardboard. A little bit of fruit and veg that came in yesterday. These are this is food that's come in from a second-hand or recovered food project. You can see that it's beyond its use-by date in terms of its quality, so they can't distribute it to people to feed, but we can actually use it either for compost or feeding our animals. This particular pile here is all it's all bread, and again that came in with the reused food yesterday. Again, we have to understand what is unsaleable as to what is unedible. Now this is perfectly edible, makes a great animal food, plenty of calories in there, but it's simply unsaleable. So for human consumption it's no good, but we can certainly use it rather than it going to landfill. Next part of the process as far as we're concerned is the sorting it out. Now the reason that a lot of this stuff is being thrown out is simply because if it's a refrigerated product, if someone's taken it out of the fridge and left it on the shelf somewhere, By law, they're not permitted to actually put that back onto the shelf. So here we have a lovely little bit of Sara Lee carrot cake.
It'll be right.
The eggs we put to one side, and we will boil those eggs and use those to feed our chicks. And the rule is, no matter how good the product is, it is being used to feed animals. And of course, our biggest producer of soft plastic is the bread. There's different portions go to different animals. The softer breads tend to go to the chickens. Whereas the harder stuff will go to the cattle. Just as a matter of laziness, a lot of this stuff will end up in my bin. So part of our job is to make sure that it's sorted out, because it cannot go to the animals. Instead of going into landfill and producing lots of methane gas, which is a greenhouse gas, it's now getting pumped through cows who are producing methane gas and lots of gas. But certainly not as much as what it would if it was in landfill. Basically empty our trailer. The last couple of shovelfuls. All plastic has been taken out. We've now got ourselves a bin of plastic. And various portions of what we've collected will now go off and feed various animals. So we've got 3 chicken bins over there, 2 that are going across the road to the sheep, and you'll be filming that shortly. This one will be doing our calf and sheep down the back, and this will be doing our stock down in the back paddocks. And so that completes the second part of the process. You'll be looking at the third very shortly. So they'll demolish this in about less than 5 minutes. So that'll basically give them the full belly. And we'll give them another load of bread from that other pile a little bit later on today. Peak of our breeding season, or at the end of our breeding season actually. So we've got maximum number of animals here. We like to produce around about 40 to 50 ducks per year. Some will end up being part of our show stock, others will simply be sold off. And so that's why we've got a whole heap of ducks in here at the moment. But that's getting ready all for sale. Okay, take it in the second gear, let's go.
east side. Now this actually prevents all of this food just going straight to landfill.